What happens when breaking news goes wrong? That's what we call broken news. It happens all the time if you're watching for it. Every station all racing to break that story first, and a lot of them tripping over themselves in the process. In this edition of Broken News, we turn our attention to a recent apology from Fox News.
A correction now. Over the course of this last week, we have made some regrettable errors on air regarding the Muslim population in Europe, particularly with regard to England and France. Now, this applies especially to discussions of so-called no-go zones, areas where non-Muslims allegedly aren't allowed in and police supposedly won't go.
Allegedly, supposedly, we're not really sure. Here's what happened. So-called terror analyst Steve Emerson made one of our previous editions of Broken News with his comments, but he wasn't available to come on and apologize directly. Instead, Fox anchor Julie Berendarius had to do the dirty work for him.
To be clear, there is no formal designation of these zones in either country and no credible information to support the assertion there are specific areas in these countries that exclude individuals based solely on their religion.
Now, this full video apology is still available on the Fox News website, at least for now. Keep it right here with us on WHDT as we continue to watch for Broken News.